Yes, it is really true. Daniela E. Schenker, she wrote a book about the meaning of water features in feng shui, and one of her chapters is covering water features in the bedroom. And she says if you have a water feature or a water wall in your bedroom, then you will make better love. So, how is that possible? Well, maybe you know, or maybe you don't know, but actually water feature make you relax. So watching the water flow, and maybe also when you listen to the voice of the floating water, you relax. And when women relax, they can enjoy making love much more. So this is the reason why water features and water walls can help improve your love life, because especially women, when they are relaxed, they can enjoy it more. So, well, I guess it's true. Maybe you also can imagine it's true. So, let me show you where you should place a water feature in your bedroom and where you should not place it. So, let's say this is your bedroom, this is your door, and if this is your bed, then you should not place it here, or right at the head, because this might disturb you when you want to sleep. It is simply too close to your head. Well, let's say maybe if you have a very small water feature, then it's okay, but not a water wall, because water walls are moving the air. So if that's your water wall and you have your head here, the water flows down here and it attracts the air. So you also have a permanent air stream around the water wall. So this is what you want to avoid, having wind crossing your head all night, because you have the water wall right to your head. So you should not put a water wall next to your head, but actually a good place would be, if it's the bedroom again, that's the bed. So I would say somewhere here around the feet, and then you could use the whole wall here, not for a big water wall, but you could place a water wall here, or here, because then it's enough far away not to create winds when you sleep, and but you still get the relaxation effect. So that's a short instruction where to put your water wall when you put it in your bedroom. And maybe you know it, maybe you don't, but water walls also clean the air. So if you would run a water wall in your bedroom, it would remove smells from your bedroom, and it would also clean the air from dust. So this might be an additional benefit which you could use in your bedroom, except of the actually most important benefit, which is making better love. But this is a nice side effect, to have your air cleaned from dust and from smells. I think it's very important to make it very, very silent, because if you hear the pump, or if you would hear the water splashing, this could also disturb your sleep. So you need to make sure that your water wall is going to be very, very silent. And how to do that, this is what we teach in the water wall school. So if you want to build your water wall yourself, then please visit vavazen.net, the water wall school. We have a basic free course where we teach you the most important essential things, but we also have advanced course where you really can learn all you need to know about how to build a good and reliable and beautiful water wall. So thank you for joining me. I wish you a lot of good love and hope to see you soon in the Vavazen water wall school. Thank you. Bye bye.